Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be swatching this watercolor set that I bought at Hobby Lobby. It's from Koi. It's Watercolors Pocket Field Sketch Box, and it contains 24 colors, 24 watercolors in half pans, and a refillable water brush along with 2 sponges. And I have the Hobby Lobby brand of watercolors. I also, yesterday, I was using some of my watercolor pastels to do this painting here. And those are from the Artist Loft, so the pastels. And so mainly I've been using the Hobby Lobby brand of watercolor paints. I also bought, I'm not sure if I did a video yet on this one, but I also bought Dr. P.H. Martin's inks, and I did a couple of paintings with that. So I just wanted to venture out besides just using the Hobby Lobby brand, just to test out, different kits. And so the colors, so it just gives you an example here of, how to use it. And so the colors that are included is Chinese white, lemon yellow, aureline hue, permanent yellow deep, permanent orange, jaune brilliant, I think that means like brilliant yellow, vermilion hue. Now hues, of course, are not the pure pigments. Cadmium red hue, crimson lake, quinacridone rose, which I'm kind of excited to get because I know I subscribe to Diane Antone, and I know she mentions the quinacridone gold, but I'm happy to have the rose. Let's see what else we have here. Focus. Okay, purple, cobalt blue hue, cerulean blue hue, ultramarine deep, Prussian blue, permanent green pale, viridian hue, permanent green deep, olive green, yellow ochre, light red, burnt umber, Payne's gray, and ivory black. So let's take a look at what is all included in this kit. And I have my little watercolor sketchbook, and one day I'm going to go ahead, I think, and maybe just do a video on what's in my sketchbook. Though these were Dr. P.H. Martin's Bombay India inks. The set number 2. They have a set number 1, so I did swatch out the colors here. This is just a very washed down, I think, aqua turquoise mix. I was trying to get a green, but I did swatch that there. Let's see. And I kind of like this too. I used the India inks to paint this cat. So I used I think it was the Speedball waterproof dip pen ink, and then to draw out the cat, a little bit of hatching lines there. And then I used the India ink to paint in. It's actually a picture of a bronze statue of this cat that I took, and so I just wanted to sketch it. So let's take a look here. So let's open this up. Get rid of this here. So I don't know if any of you have ever used it. If you can just let me know what you think of it. So here's the palette. Okay, so this comes out this way. Here's the water brush. And I guess you just screw that in that way. And then the 2 sponges on the side. So what you can do with this is you can just go ahead and wet it. This way, if you don't have a towel or napkin or anything like that, you can always put your brush on here to get rid of some of the dampness. But these are what these look like. They almost look like gemstones the way they're in here, and they have the numbers. So I'm sure then this company probably has more, probably more colors that you can add. So, and then this little palette has where you can insert that there. So I guess whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you can do that there. So let's go ahead and swatch these out. I'm just going to go ahead and mist them down and get them ready. So I sprayed down the palette. I've added just a little bit of water to this water brush. I was actually going to use one of my other ones that I had, but then I thought, well, if I'm testing this out, I should use what came in the kit. So I took off the little stopper, and so it's interesting. Instead of, you know, how we do righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, instead with this one, it's the opposite way. To tighten it in, you screw it the opposite way, left. So, all right. And if I had like a little piece of paper that I wanted to put here, I could go ahead and add that here. Where would I have my, you know, just paint here and paint in my palette that way, and it stays, which is kind of nice. It doesn't fall over. But I want to swatch this in this book here. So let's take a look. Seems kind of creamy. Now this is white, so naturally I'm just wondering if it's going to be opaque. All right, let's see. I'm going to rinse that off. And then here's the yellow. So that's a nice yellow. They are very creamy. This must be that orange. So they are very different than the Hobby Lobby watercolors. So it's kind of nice that I get to try a different brand. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a very light peach. It almost reminds me of maybe a skin tone color. And this, very nice orangey poppy red. That's the, okay, so I probably should read this. This is the Chinese white, the lemon yellow, the Aureline hue, permanent yellow ochre, permanent orange, the jaune brilliant, and this is the vermilion hue, and now this is the cadmium red hue. So very nice deep red there. This is Crimson Lake. Too much water there. So very nice that. And then the next one is purple or violet. Very nice, rich violet color there. Then cobalt blue. Oops, sorry. Didn't realize I was out of screen. Cobalt blue. And actually it's a cobalt blue hue. Then this is cerulean blue hue. Very nice for the sky. Ultramarine deep. Really nice deep color there, nice. Now the next one is Prussian blue. Some more color on there. So it's like a grayish blue, unless it may be nice there. The next one is Permanent Green Pale. Okay. Be nice for landscapes. Then Viridian Hue. Nice bright color there. Permanent Green Deep. Okay, and then the next one here is Olive Green. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. The Hobby Lobby brand, I think it's the Master's Touch, has an olive green, but this really looks like a nice olive color. Then this next one here is Yellow Ochre. Then we have Light Red, which really looks to me more like a terracotta color. But I do like that. That'll be nice for maybe gardening, paintings where you have the terracotta pots. Then this one here is Burnt Umber. Nice brown. Then Payne's Gray. Let's see how this compares to the Hobby Lobby one. With nice rich color. And then Ivory Black. Nice deep black there. So this is nice. I'm excited to have gotten this and to try out some paintings with them. So again, the Chinese White, the Lemon Yellow, the Aurelian Hue, the Permanent Yellow Ochre, Permanent Orange, the Jaune Brilliant, I don't know, it sounds French, the Vermilion Hue, Cadmium Red Hue, Crimson Lake, Quinacridone Rose. Oh, am I missing one? Let's see, 1, 2. Yep, Crimson Lake. Oh, I am missing the Vermilion Lake, Cadmium Red Hue, Crimson Lake. I think I did miss one. Let's see, maybe it was this one. Yep, so this is the Quinacridone Rose. So that's pretty. Then Violet and Cobalt Blue Hue, Cerulean Blue Hue, Ultramarine Deep. That's nice. It's like a sapphire electric blue color. Prussian Blue, Permanent Green Pale, Viridian Hue, Permanent Green Deep, Olive Green, Yellow Ochre, Light Red, Burnt Umber, Payne's Gray, and Ivory Black. So let's see if I can. It's really nice colors. And so again, this is the kit here with the 24 colors, the 2 sponges on the side, the water brush, the area where you can go ahead and put your, so let's say you wanted to just do a little sketch to then do a larger painting, you know, so this is really for an outdoor, and the little palette that you can stick on either side. So that's kind of nice. So again, I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it is the Sakura Koi Watercolors Pocket Field Sketchbook with the 24 colors. So, and it says here, fine quality transparent watercolors. And again, it was on sale at Hobby Lobby. So again, I just wanted to try something different. So I hope you like this video. If you've ever used these, just let me know what you think. You can more than welcome to put a link in the description or in the comment section below. And I'd love to check out your channel if you've done any paintings with this particular brand. But thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, you know, go ahead and let me know and I'll get back to you. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.